Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to instantly turn any long video into a short clip without editing, without complicated software, and just using a link. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Short. So let's get started. First, just find the video that you want to turn into a short. You can grab it from YouTube. Just find the video that you like, and then copy the link. Just tap on share and then copy link. Next, just open your browser like this and then just type in 2short.ai like this, and then just tap on the link, this one, just tap on it, and then just tap on try it out for free, just tap on it, and then just choose short clip maker. This tool is designed to automatically cut long videos into a short viral style clips. Next, just paste the link video. And like this, the AI will automatically analyze the video and automatically create short clips suggestions for you like this. You will see several ready-made short clips like this. Just scroll to the results, and when you find one that you like, just click on it. For example, I will choose this one like this, and then just tap edit and export.
I replaced it with something else. I also have been trying to see this one girl here. I think her name is Drew. She watches my videos.
Like this. Once you select a clip, you will be moved to the editor page like this. And here you can adjust the ratio of your video. You can choose portrait, square, or even landscape. And then you can also adjust or customize your caption styles. You can choose from these sections, and then you can choose or adjust the transitions, word highlight, adjust the highlight color, and then adjust the splitting, positions, and even you can also adjust the font settings, and you can also adjust another element like this. And next, when you're happy with your edits, just click export this one, and the AI will process your video and give you the final shots ready to download. But to export your video, make sure you already log in with your Google account. And now your video is ready for TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. But just for a reminder, if you are using someone else's video, always give proper credit to the original creator, because it's a simple way to respect their works while still sharing amazing short content. And okay, that's it. You have just created a short instantly from a long video using only a link. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.